What if the secret to better vision isn't in a stronger pair of glasses, but on your dinner plate and in your daily routine? It's true. What if I told you there are simple, powerful ways you can biohack your eyesight, especially as you get older? Welcome to MealMind TV, where today we're going to explore how you can take control of your eye health and keep your vision sharp for years to come. Many of us think that as we pass 50, weaker eyesight is just a fact of life, something we have to accept. We get a new prescription, maybe some reading glasses, and just carry on. But your eyes are incredible, and they have an amazing ability to heal and protect themselves if you give them the right tools. We have so much more power over our vision than we've been led to believe. It's not about throwing away your glasses, but about supporting your eyes from the inside out so they can function at their absolute best. Let's start with what might be the most powerful tool you have: your fork. There are two incredible nutrients you need to know about: lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of them as internal sunglasses for your eyes. They are powerful antioxidants that travel directly to your retina, the part of your eye that senses light, and they form a protective shield. This shield helps filter out harmful high-energy blue light, like the kind from our screens and the sun, which can damage sensitive eye cells over time. This protection is crucial as we age, helping to maintain the health of the macula, which is responsible for our sharp, central vision that we use for reading and recognizing faces. So, where do you find these eye superheroes? It's easier than you think. They're hiding in plain sight in colorful foods. Think leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. The darker the green, the better. They're also abundant in egg yolks, which is great news for breakfast lovers. The fat in the yolk actually helps your body absorb the lutein and zeaxanthin more effectively. Other great sources include corn, broccoli, peas, and brightly colored fruits like oranges and papayas. The rule of thumb is simple: eat a rainbow. Filling your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables is one of the most delicious and effective ways to protect your vision for the long haul. Now, let's talk about a secret weapon for eye health that costs absolutely nothing: good sleep. We all know sleep is important, but did you know it's when your eyes do their most important repair work? When you sleep, your eyes are finally able to rest and replenish. Your body increases the circulation of fluids that clean and lubricate your eyes, washing away irritants like dust and allergens that have accumulated during the day. This is also the time when your eyes produce new, healthy cells to replace old, worn-out ones. If you've ever woken up with dry, gritty, or tired eyes after a bad night's sleep, you've experienced this firsthand. During deep sleep, your body works to reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in many age-related eye conditions. Consistent, quality sleep is like sending a nightly repair crew to work on your eyes, ensuring they are refreshed, lubricated, and ready for the day ahead. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night isn't just good for your brain and body. It's a non-negotiable part of your vision care routine. It's one of the simplest and most profound things you can do to keep your eyes healthy. Paired with good sleep is another free and powerful tool: morning sunlight. This might sound counterintuitive. Aren't we supposed to protect our eyes from the sun? Yes, but it's about timing and duration. Getting about 10 to 15 minutes of indirect morning sunlight within the first hour of waking up without sunglasses can do wonders for your body's internal clock, which in turn regulates your eye health. This early morning light is less intense and has a specific spectrum that signals your brain to wake up. It helps set your circadian rhythm for the entire day. This rhythm controls countless bodily functions, including the production of hormones that affect eye pressure and cell repair cycles. When your internal clock is properly set, your body knows when to be alert and when to wind down for sleep, which, as we just discussed, is prime time for eye repair. Think of it like this: morning sunlight winds up your body's eye clock, and the darkness of night allows that clock to trigger the nightly maintenance schedule. It's a beautiful, natural system. You don't need to stare directly at the sun, of course. Just being outside, maybe sipping your coffee on the porch or taking a short walk, is enough for your eyes to get the signal. This simple daily habit helps synchronize your whole system, leading to better sleep and, consequently, healthier eyes. Beyond food and sleep, there are also specific exercises that can help your vision. Now, let's be very clear here. We're not talking about those online myths that promise you can throw away your glasses after a week of rolling your eyes. We need to be careful. There's a lot of misinformation out there, like the Bates method, which has been widely debunked by the scientific community. The idea that you can just relax your way to perfect vision simply isn't supported by evidence. However, there is a legitimate field called vision therapy, often overseen by optometrists, that uses specific exercises to help retrain the brain-eye connection. This is particularly effective for issues where the eyes themselves are healthy but aren't working together properly, like with lazy eye tracking problems, or convergence insufficiency, which can cause eye strain and headaches when you read. These exercises are like physical therapy for your eyes and brain. For example, a pencil push-up exercise, where you slowly bring a pencil towards your nose while keeping it in focus, can help train your eyes to converge correctly. These are prescribed treatments for specific conditions. For general daily health, simple habits are best. A great one is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes you spend looking at a screen, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This relaxes your eye muscles and helps prevent digital eye strain. So, let's bring it all together. Taking care of your eyes as you age doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's about building simple, consistent habits into your daily life. You have an incredible amount of influence over your long-term vision health. Let's quickly recap the 3 most powerful actions you can start today. First, eat a rainbow. Make sure your plate is full of colorful vegetables and fruits, especially dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, and don't forget those egg yolks to get your daily dose of lutein and zeaxanthin. Second, prioritize your sleep. Treat your 7 to 9 hours of nightly rest as essential maintenance time for your eyes to repair and rejuvenate. And third, practice smart screen habits with the 20-20-20 rule to give your focusing muscles a much-needed break throughout the day. Remember, at MealMind TV, we believe that taking care of your vision is a key part of aging vibrantly and powerfully. It's not about fighting aging, it's about embracing it with health and clarity. Start with one small change today, and your eyes will thank you for years to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to MealMind TV for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you in the next video.